Originally, I was going to talk about chess, but one of my subscribers just sent me an email with a pretty big accusation.
Dear Guy, I just read your latest post. I'm hugely disappointed. It's so obvious that you're using GPT in your writing.
Hold on a sec. For context, I'm Guy Odin. I take photos and then write short stories and essays inspired by them and share them in the form of pixels under glass. I guess it's time to make a confession. All of my writing so far has been done with a GPT for years. And I haven't really told anyone. So now that I've been made, for the sake of transparency, I might as well show you my process in full. Let's begin with the exact GPT model that I use. It's this one right here. Oh, let me get this thing out of the way. This is my GPT. Let's see how it works. The name, of course, stands for
General Purpose Typewriter.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This thing has a bunch of features. To begin, release the carriage return lever and the V-shaped paper support. Your margins are set on a graduated scale. You can now feed the paper. Rotate the pointed knob to the right position. Set the line spacing to your preference. Release the carriage locking lever. Set the ribbon color selector. Press on the keys to hear the melody of type bars on paper. You can type red. You can type black. You can do tabs, which works great for formatting things like scripts. Like this one I'm writing right now. The backspace key. It only works to space back, but it doesn't delete anything. Some consider that a limitation of the technology, but I think it's one of its greatest features. It's pretty affordable too. The only monthly payments are for paper and for ink ribbons, which actually last for hundreds of pages each. All processing is done on device, which means you don't really need a Wi-Fi connection. And in fact, you don't even need electricity. Okay, maybe a candle or some other source of light. Fun fact, in many places around the world today, a working typewriter is actually cheaper than buying the Lego version of it, which is a paradox I have written extensively about. You don't have to read any of that. Do you want to know how it generates its output? It's actually a very simple system of machine learning. You prompt it by putting inspiration into one end, yearning for a while in front of the machine, and eventually you get some ideas rendered out. It's great stuff. Another question you might wonder about. With this GPT, if the backspace key doesn't delete, then how do you edit? And it's very simple. I just use this. This is my FNN. That means it's a
Fountain Pen Neural Network.
Yes. And the way it works is by using again, which is of course
Gesture-assisted notation.
it establishes a direct neural link, literally, between my neurons and the ink, for any edits that I might want to do. So to sum up, I just grab the output from the GPT, and then the FNN transforms that with GAN until I have a version I'm happy with. Are you with me so far? Okay, so there are still some more steps before these exact words that I have typed become sound waves, paired together with pixels under glass on your end. Stop it! And we might take a look into that on another day. There you have it. The cat is out of the bag. Stay tuned for more revelations in the future.